Well, for all my clothing fans out there, you guys know that I don't just bring the sneakers up in this joint. I gotta bring the clothing. And people have been asking me to bring a couple clothing lines, urban clothing over here. Not the ones that everybody knows about. Certain underground ones that are picking up or that people still haven't found out about it. And they actually told me about this brand called Loiter. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly over here. And I got a couple of pieces. Of course, guys, I got a hat. And I got this hat that has a story behind it. We're gonna get to it immediately, guys. Run my intro. What's going on, YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all good things, guys. And I'm gonna start it off like always. I started off with the hats. We're gonna get into the tees in just a little bit, but I start off with the hats. And this hat right here, it's for the rare airs, guys. To match it with the rare airs, show you right there, on the screen, so you guys can see how it looks. And yes, it's a perfect match. And what is the story behind this hat? This hat actually belonged to one of my friends. And coincidentally, he saw the review and he said, bro, I got a hat that matches that shoe to the T. He sends me a picture of it. He said, yo, bro, you want it? Yeah, bro, I'll take it. Of course I'll take it. He goes, I'll sell it to you. Yeah, guys, that's just the way it is, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, guys, those are great friends, those are the great friends in life, How much you want, bro? He's like, bro, give me, I don't know, 20, 30 bucks, whatever. I was like, look, bro, here's 50 bucks already. Because obviously, you don't even use the damn hat. It was all dusty. You don't even use it and you still want to charge me some money, man. It don't matter, guys, don't take it seriously, bro. So I gave him 50 bucks for the hat. And as you guys can see, it matches to the T. But anyways, guys, besides the actual hat that matches the rare airs, I don't know if you guys can find it out there. It's very vintage. Let's call it more of a vintage style. If you guys are into new eras, you guys know that this style right here is a vintage style and they haven't made it in a very long time. But just in case you guys do, I check eBay, stuff like that, guys. But anyways, let's get straight to the point. Let's start off with the hat first. Next! Yes, guys, boxy. You know what comes with this. Yes! The massive cleaver, the ultimate protection, guys. I always said it, bro. This is the ultimate. Never, nobody will even get close to you, bro. All right, let's open the box, guys. Let's open the box. All right, let's do this. Boy, ultimate protection. You're losing a little sharpness there, bro. Ooh, nice and packaged, guys. This one, I know. Well, I hope it is. I'll probably open it as something else. Let me see what it is. Is it a hat? Is it a hat? Yes, it is a hat. It is a hat, guys. This one comes directly from PR, baby, from Puerto Rico. Yes, sir. And here it is. Let me see. I don't know if they brought. Oh, I think they sent me something else. Yes, sir, baby. The Santurce. Yes. And I'll tell you the story right now. Santurce, Puerto Rico. Saludo a toda mi gente de Puerto Rico. Los quiero de corazón. Yes, guys. And what is it? Why is it actually? Let me specify this. Why did I buy a Santurce? I was going to buy an actual Puerto Rico hat. And it actually comes with a little bit of things here, but let me explain the story of it. And I was gonna get the PR, the baseball, because the support, man, I've been getting from Puerto Rico. Anyways, one of my best friends is actually Puerto Rican. And here's the funny part about it: my background Cuban, and my best friends. I think I have probably one that's Cuban. The rest are from all over the place in this world. That's just the way life works, guys. And this is Santurce is actually when my parents left Cuba in 1980, they lived in Puerto Rico and they lived 2 years in Santurce. So I said, you know what? Let me just see if this even exists. And they do, guys. And excuse me, I took so long para mi Boricua that I took so long to get a hat. But it is what it is. So there it is, as you guys can see. Very, very beautiful. The lid in black, lettering nice and sewn on in black. Los Cangrejos de Santurce. And this is the Ebbets Field flannels right there. If you guys can see it right on the lid. Premium quality, handcrafted fitteds. Beautiful, beautiful all the way through. Right on the side, you see the little logo. And in the back, you see Santurce, like a little baseball. And on the right side of the hat, you see a little baseball with a little crab right on top, and it says Santurce. Yes, guys, very beautiful hat all the way through. I love it. Very proud to have this hat. And once again, guys, to all my people in Puerto Rico, thank you so much for your support. Lo quiero de verdad. I love you guys, for real. Thank you so much. I love everybody. But man, it's been extreme support from PR. So yes, guys, there you guys have it. And I think they send me a couple of little things extra over here. And yes, they actually send me some little flags and decals of PR, guys. Yes, very nice. I'm going to put this somewhere. I got to put it somewhere. I always say I'm going to put it in a shoe or something. It is what it is. But thank you very much. I love it. Next, it is time for the clothing, guys. The clothing. Guys, I love doing this right here because believe it or not, I relax. I don't have to be so, oh my God, it takes a little long, when you do clothing reviews. But, I like just having a good time sometimes over here. That's a lot of sometimes. But just chill, bro. Just chill, man. And the first shirt I'm going to show you is the one that matches the Rare Airs, and it is from this company called Loiter. Then I'm going to tag them on them, and I'm going to be 100% honest. Everybody knows that I am very honest when it comes to clothing review and all my reviews. I'm going to start it off the rip before I even show you. The quality on these shirts are savage. This is 200 plus GSM. If they're looking at the video, you guys can correct me, but to me, it is. This is very heavyweight cotton. This ain't no joke, man. The printing is on point. No, guys, I'm not paid. I'm not paid for this. Swear, I'm not paid for this at all. Nothing like that. I'm saying the honest truth when it comes to brands. And there's been a lot of brands that never hit me back because I used to be a very small channel. Now that the things are growing, they're all hitting me back. And I say, you know what? Things have changed. And that's the way life works. So, yes, very beautiful all the way through. Loiter, very good brand. So far, to me, it's great. Of course, I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna see the wear and tear on it, but it's very, very beautiful. And in this case right here, guys, as you guys can see in the screen, it has Loiter in the top, this nice, beautiful graphic, and it has this that actually reminds me of Rick and Morty. I don't know if it is or it's not, guys. Correct me if I'm wrong, but just the simple fact of what this shirt represents, it's beautiful. As you guys can see, it has the white, the red, the blue, and obviously the whole tee in black. Very nice, tagless in the top. This is a size large. I am 175 pounds without drinking 3 gallons of water. Guys, I passed that one already. And the back says the company's name, Brain Rot. And that is the main reason of why I ended up getting this shirt. But the reality is that I believe in that 100% because the internet has created that on society. They're brain rotted already. It's like you go anywhere in this world, you have a conversation with somebody, not even 5 minutes into the conversation, they're already on their phone, looking at social media. They totally lose track of everything. Attention span is gone. So the simple fact that I saw this to me is amazing, guys. It's amazing. And I just love everything that has to do with this t-shirt. Gorgeous all the way through. And I'm going to show you the tags right there, guys. And this t-shirt does go for $48. Very hefty tag right there. Not in price-wise. I'm talking about in quality. Very thick cardboard. Nice and printed. Very good quality, guys. Very good quality. Beautiful. Again, very beautiful. And then this one right here, I actually got it that I don't know if I'm gonna be releasing this video after or before. I'll let you guys know, but I could just let you know already. This I got for the Jordan 40s, and it's a beautiful muscle shirt right there, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. As you guys can see, on this one it's a little bit different. I had to get a size medium because they were actually sold out of large and everything, but you guys are gonna see the way it fits in just a little bit. The front, the company's name, sewn perfectly. Like I said, heavyweight cotton, 200 plus GSM guaranteed. And back, guys, fully embroidered Loiter motocross with that tribal going down the middle and the sides right in the shoulder area. Man, look at the collar on this, dude. Look at the collar on this, quality, dude. And the tag on this one is fire, bro. Yo, I'm not even gonna lie. This thing, you know, I don't really like comparing brands, but at the end of the day, it is. This thing, man, it's, dude, if you put a different company name, I'm not gonna diss anything over here. You know what I'm saying? I don't like doing that. But let's just say you put a different name on it, they'll charge you $140 for sure. Let's put it like this: on this one that's embroidered and everything, they'll probably charge you the $400. And you guys probably know already what brand I'm talking about because it has the similar style when it comes to this. This is badass. Guys, keep up the good work. Like I said, I'm being 100% fair. I'm being 100% honest. No BSing over here. Beautiful work when it comes to that clothing. And of course, it matches the rare airs, guys. What could I do about it, man? You know, so you guys saw already what I have. This is quick as I can, guys. You guys know that the actual clothing review takes forever. It is what it is. And I'm trying to shrink it as much as possible. But I'm over here having a good time. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. Remember, any clothing brand you guys want me to review, I'll bring it to you guys. That even though I am starting another channel of something little special, guys. And you guys just might be interested in it. Anyways, till next time, everybody. I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace. El cohete.